Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and I'm excited to introduce you to my brand new quilting tool, the Ravioli template. This sturdy 6 by 6 inch acrylic template is designed to transform your old jeans, your t-shirts, and your scraps of fabrics into beautiful, snuggly quilts that are all one of a kind. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this template will help you mark, stitch, and cut unique quilt-as-you-go quilts. There's also a 16-page booklet that shows exactly step by step how to make the quilts that comes with the template. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how it works. The Ravioli template is designed to mark up your 6-inch by 6-inch squares. In this case, I'm using upcycled jeans of fabric so they can be sandwiched with wadding and other fabrics to create the blocks. First, I cut the 6-inch by 6-inch square. Then, I use the template to mark line A onto the fabric. Then I'm going to mark the center square to denote where the applique is going to go. And then I'm going to turn the fabric over and mark line A on this side of the fabric too. Okay. All right. I then choose the other fabrics to layer with my marked fabric square. One 6-inch by 6-inch square of flannel for the backing, one 2-inch by 2-inch pinked square of flannel for the center applique, and one 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 square of batting or wadding. Next, I glue the wadding in place within line A that is marked on the reverse side of the fabric. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2 by 2-inch square of flannel and glue that in place over the center applique. After that, I'm going to layer that with my 6-inch by 6-inch square of flannel. And I'm going to take some wonder clips and I'm going to secure the corners of the sandwich for stitching. Next, I'm going to stitch around line A through all the thicknesses, first with a straight stitch. And I'm also going to straight stitch inside that applique. And after that, I'm going to go around the straight stitch with a small zigzag stitch. And the same thing on the applique. Finally, I line up line B on the template. That's this broken line right here with the seam line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off the excess fabric using a pinking blade on my rotary cutter. And that's the finished block right there. So it's denim on one side with an applique and flannel on the other. Here's some of the other finished blocks. The last step is to stitch the blocks together, and I do that using more of the wonder clips. So I'm going to just line up the edges and do a straight seam across. So that's 2 of the blocks stitched together. And when I have, let's say, a whole row of them, I'm going to just stitch that together using more of the wonder clips. So that will form the quilt top. It's just a little quilt top, but it gives you the idea. So, are you ready to try this? Pick up your Ravioli template, gather up your fabric bits and your old jeans, and let's quilt. I can't wait to see what you've created with this fun and versatile tool. Happy quilting, everybody!